Great. So we have installed Jenkins in the command line, and let's go ahead and log in for the first time in the GUI, which stands for Graphic User Interface. So we pull up our favorite web browser, and we're going to the public IP address, and then make sure you put in :8080 and enter. And we're going to log in. When you see this the first time, you're going to have to enter in the initial admin password, which it will prompt you for, and set up a user. We log in, and the first time that we log in, we need to configure Jenkins. So let's click on Manage Jenkins. I should mention that for a large environment, you will want to be able to have multiple users, and it's highly advisable to use things like LDAP, which Active Directory incorporates LDAP inside of it, to be able to authenticate all of these users against a common user group password source. We're going to cover managing the plugins right now. Let's hop on over here, and the first tab it starts you at is Updates, but what we actually want is Available. So we click over here, and then we're going to filter it. Let's filter for Blue Ocean. We, of course, want Blue Ocean. We also want quite a number of the pieces that give us additional tools. Git pipeline for Blue Ocean, GitHub pipeline for Blue Ocean. Now, once we've checked off all the components that we need, we have at the bottom of the screen, Install Without Restart. So we'll click on that. Now this is pretty cool because it's now able to go out to the internet and pull down our plugins for us automagically, which everything that is automagic is cool. And we can see it performing those actions in the background. And now we have a checkbox down here, Restart Jenkins when installation is complete. And so we'll let it go ahead and do its thing. It has to completely reload the interface in order to bring up the new binaries. Great. So now we've got Blue Ocean, the plugin, installed, and we had to restart Jenkins in order to get those binaries to load correctly. So let's log back into Jenkins, and we can check out the Blue Ocean interface. So you'll observe on the left-hand side of the screen, we have a link that's called Open Blue Ocean. We're going to cover that in the subsequent lesson.